Hey friends, if you wish to open recently closed Chrome tabs on desktop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Okay. And then let us say we have multiple tabs open here. I will also open some website. Okay, let's open multiple tabs from here. Okay. Now let's say I close this tab and I also close this other tab. Now I wish to reopen it. The shortcut is Control plus Shift plus Tab and then Control plus Shift plus Tab again and again till all of these are open. So the shortcut to open any recently closed tab on Google Chrome is Control plus Shift plus Tab. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.